if you want to remove forgotten password, pin or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, grab your USB-C cable, make sure that one part of it is plugged into your laptop and the second one is to be plugged to our Samsung. So plug it right into our charging port. Now locate 3 buttons. We will need them: power button, volume down button, and a volume up button. Now let's hold our fingers on volume down and power button and hold them until your screen will go dark. When it goes dark, switch your fingers from volume down to volume up buttons and keep on holding this combination. Great, now we're in our recovery mode. We can navigate through it using our volume down and volume up buttons, and to make a choice where to press power button. So look at your wipe data / factory reset, power button, factory data reset, power button, and we are done. Now you can power off or reboot your phone. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.